Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a balance sheet on Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Finance homepage. You will see a prominent search bar near the top of the page. This is where you will input the company's stock ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple, or the full company name. Press Enter or click the search icon to proceed to the company's dedicated page. Once you have successfully searched for your desired company, you will arrive at its overview page. On this page, you will find various sections providing different data points. Locate the navigation menu, which is usually positioned on the left-hand side or as a set of tabs. Within this menu, you need to select the option labeled Financials to access the detailed financial statements. After clicking on Financials, you will be presented with a list of the company's core financial statements. These commonly include the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. To view the company's financial position at a specific point in time, you will need to click on the balance sheet option. This will display a comprehensive breakdown of assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Now that you are viewing the balance sheet, you will see a snapshot of the company's financial health. It presents assets, liabilities, and equity, typically for several reporting periods. You can usually toggle between annual and quarterly views to observe different timeframes. Pay attention to key figures like total assets, total liabilities, and total equity to understand the company's financial structure and stability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.